Hi YouTube friends, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video we're going to show you how to waterproof your shower with RedGard. How to RedGard your shower. Let's get started.
I can caulk with silicone and I have up to 3 hours to apply this RedGard to it for it to stick. If I apply this like the next day, it's not going to stick to that caulk. That's my understanding. Information out there is not the greatest on this part. So it's not like painting where you want a thin coat. You don't want to gob it on. But it is supposed to be a thicker coat. Definitely stinks. Goes on pink, dries in a couple hours is my understanding. When it dries it'll be red. Supposed to do this in 2 coats.
Besides providing a continuous waterproof membrane, RedGard is supposed to reduce crack transmission. I think the first coat is to help protect your tile from cracking, while the second coat is what helps waterproof. We paid about $50 for a gallon of RedGard, which was more than enough. Some people apply 3 coats of RedGard or they use up all their RedGard. I'm doing 2 coats, but more like 3 coats ended up over seams and over screws. There's a point where if you apply too much RedGard, you can actually reduce your waterproofing properties. After turning red, which took about 3 hours, I started to roll the first coat. They recommend applying 2 coats. They say you should roll 1 coat on vertically, the other coat on horizontally to better fill all the pits and crevices in the cement board. If you do spill some of the RedGard, at least on a porcelain tub, after it dries, it does wipe off. I used a lot of pressure pushing the roller against the cement board as I rolled the first coat on. This was to better be able to get the RedGard to entirely cover the cement board, going into all the pits, all the crevices. Some people feel that RedGard may adhere better to these pitted cement boards over some of the other harder and smoother boards. Sort of like many fingers holding on due to more surface area. I don't know if that's true or not. After we applied the RedGard and it dried, we did notice that it actually gave more sturdiness to the walls.
Upstairs painting, I'm rolling the wall.
It's okay.
I have to keep going once I start.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry I gave you the look of death when I was
Oh.
when I was.
No.
You were like, whoa.
No, you didn't. I'm okay.
Like,
I really.
you know, and I felt bad.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, well, thanks for saying something. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay.
I didn't even really think anything of it, to be honest.
At the time, like you did, I could tell on your face.
I'm looking to see if there's like a little pinhole I missed here. Like here's one. All right, I think that's enough. So this is the following day and you can see how red it is.
Because we had more than enough RedGard, we decided to RedGard up and over the shower head all around the tub.
So the RedGard is actually sticking to the caulk. So I think it worked. The only spot that I had to go a little heavier was here. It didn't quite stick as good. Let's see how it is now. Yeah, it's on there.
Please subscribe to our channel Silver Lining Daydreams, and while you're at it, give us a like and share a video as it helps others to find us. On the bottom right corner of your screen is a link to the playlist of our bathroom remodel renovation, and above that is our video that YouTube thinks you will like. And while you're at it, feel free to binge watch on our channel, Silver Lining Daydreams.